Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Wat ladang khandiat banai menchua ka Sarkar Jila Kelawan Ra e ka jingpen kala hakikan don jong ka Goods and Service Tax Act. Hakaba ka jing perkheng na ka shpolak ha ka shisnam ki bahaban siu GST kendai tang kitu ke bakamai palat arpholak tingka shisnam. Haka ji kendo ka kanhun menteri ke balalong haka artarek mentau no pra arja ka khandai kala manjar banora biangin ka jingpen kala haka Goods and Service Tax Act 2017 ka bantre kam thamai na do ka shiterek ubanai kala lingkot jong snam arjar arpho banwan. But kane ka jingpen kala ka dairu katkom ka jing ajimot jong ka GST Council.
As you all know that the goods and service tax, being just slightly more than 2 years since its implementation, is still evolving. Thus, even after the first amendment has been made, it was seen that many issues were still needed to be ironed out to address the taxpayers' grievances, to simplify the return filing system, to plug the revenue leakages, and to further streamline the administration process. Based on the recommendations of the GST Council, the central government has again amended the CGST Act Wide Finance Number 2 Act 2019 and also published it in the Gazette of India Extraordinary Part 2 Section 1 dated 1/8/2019. In accordance with the above decisions of the GST Council, the state governments including Meghalaya are to amend their respective SGST laws and to notify the amendments to become effective from 1st of January 2020. So these amendments have been proposed and brought to the cabinet, and these will be taken up as an ordinance for which the cabinet has given its approval.